Otherwise, you are number one in my heart. Sir, you are number one in my heart.
I know that your heart is very large, but that is that side, not this side.
पर कई बार बड़ी पीड़ा होती है, गिरावट की कोई सीमा होती है, बड़ा बुरा लगता है.
From a small Rajasthani village to the second highest constitutional office in India, Jagdeep Dhankar's journey is one of grit, conflict and conviction. But why did he step down 2 years before his term ended? Born in 1951 in Kitana, a humble farming village in Rajasthan, Jagdeep Dhankar defied odds early in life. An alumnus of Sainik School Chittorgarh and later Rajasthan University, he began his career as a lawyer, first in the Rajasthan High Court and then the Supreme Court. Jagdeep Dhankar's political journey began with Janata Dal, serving as MP from Jhunjhunu 1989 to 1991 and Union Minister in the Chandrasekhar government. He then joined Congress, losing the 1991 Lok Sabha election from Ajmer but winning as MLA from Kishangarh 1993 to 1998. In 2003, he switched to BJP and consistently advocated for OBC reservation, particularly for Rajasthan's Jat community. But it was in 2019 that Mr. Dhankar returned to the national spotlight as the governor of West Bengal. His tenure was fiery. He locked horns with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee repeatedly over law and order, university appointments, and the limits of federalism. He was vocal, confrontational, and always unapologetic. In August 2022, Mr. Dhankar was elected India's 14th Vice President, defeating Margaret Alva with the highest margin since 1992, securing over 74% of the vote. As Vice President and Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, he earned a reputation for being tough on disruptions. Often clashing with opposition MPs, his no-nonsense style led to strong reactions.
तो कई बार मैंने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन डॉक्टर सुदेश पति के नाम से दिया है, तो मैंने आपकी भावना का हमेशा आदर किया है. देख लीजिए, सुदेश मेरी वाइफ का नाम है.
अच्छा, सॉरी सर, आई डिडंट नो.
तो डॉक्टर सुदेश पति मैंने कई बार कहा है. ये रोचक तरीके से कह रहा हूं ताकि नीरज जी भी और आप दोनों के संबंध बहुत शानदार हैं. आप एक ही प्रांत से आते हैं और दोनों की लीनेज बहुत जबरदस्त है, बहुत जबरदस्त लीनेज है. दोनों तरफ देखें तो नेशन इज प्राउड. नहीं ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, मुझे आजकल ये भी देखना पड़ रहा है कितना झुकूं, किसके सामने झुकूं, फोटोग्राफर कहां से क्या ले रहा है, कौन इंस्टाग्राम पर डाल देगा, कौन ट्विटर पर डाल देगा, कौन मेरी रीढ़ की हड्डी को तय करने लगेगा. आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट द डिबेट टू राइज टू अ वेरी हाई लेवल बिकॉज वन सेकेंड बिकॉज दिस हाउस, दिस पार्लियामेंट, to the exclusion of any other entity, be it executive or judiciary, is supreme when it comes to lawmaking.
At one point, a motion was even filed to remove him, a first in Indian history. He dismissed it with sarcasm, calling it a rusted vegetable knife used for bypass surgery. He also raised eyebrows with strong statements about the judiciary, challenging the boundaries between the executive, legislature, and the courts. But even amid controversy, Dhankar remained a vocal champion of OBC rights, advocating for the Jat community and backward class recognition in Rajasthan. On July 21st, Mr. Dhankar shocked the nation by resigning 2 years before his term ended. He cited health reasons, but whispers of political pressure linger. Serving in this transformative era of our nation's history has been a true honor, he said in his resignation letter. Jagdeep Dhankar's career has been anything but quiet, marked by fierce independence, legal intellect, and a willingness to challenge the establishment. Whether you agree with him or not, one thing is certain: he left an indelible mark on Indian politics. So what do you think led to his sudden resignation? Let us know in the comments. This is Shubh Bhardwaj for NDTV.